Ever feel like learning is just a chore? Well, this story might just change your mind.
So this is Willow. And, she's finding learning kind of frustrating and dull.
Yeah, buried under all those heavy books, that joy of discovery was just gone.
She just knew there had to be a better way to learn, something more real. And then this bright red cab shows up, promising a totally new approach. See, this wasn't just any old ride. It was the start of a whole new adventure. So where's the first lesson? Not a classroom, but a messy, fun kitchen. What's happening here is something called experiential learning, basically learning by doing. So by baking, she connected words to movements and senses. It just sticks better that way. And that's the secret sauce, right? The words stuck because it was actually fun. Okay, so the adventure keeps going. Next up, an outdoor treasure hunt. But this game had a secret goal: practicing listening and prepositions. Sneaky, right? Miles's clues turned grammar into a real-world puzzle, making her really listen hard. Suddenly, words like under and behind weren't just boring rules, they were vital clues. And look at that. Waving goodbye, her whole view on learning has totally changed. English wasn't just a subject anymore. It became a story, a game, an adventure. So what can we learn? Well, it boils down to this simple 3-step method. So it leaves you with the question, what if learning isn't about trying harder, but playing better?